Awesome. So today, you guys, I want to share with you what the Legacy Builder program is and why the Legacy Builder and what it can do for you. Because that's the most important thing, right? Because I don't think anybody is on here today going, I just want to take more time trying to figure out how to make money from home. So, what I want to do is I want to, first of all, kind of show the story behind the Legacy Builder program. And one thing I want to share with you guys, it's not a course. You don't need another course sitting in your computer that you're really excited about, but 3 days later, that energy's gone. Like, I call that the treadmill moment, right? You get all excited, and then a few days, the emotion is gone. The exact same thing happens in courses, right? If it didn't, there would be millions and millions of millionaires, right? But because we get unmotivated easy, because we get back into our old habits and patterns, I want to help you understand why the Legacy Builder is a program, because it is an interactive program that not only will show you guys how to make 900 a day, it is literally going to show you how to make that 900 a day in passive income, but it is literally going to show you step by step how to also create a reoccurring income stream. But I'm going to show you how to do that through your email list, because in your journey of making an income online, I want to take you from launch your business to profit in 7 days is the first step, right? And then once we do that, we're going to really start understanding who your perfect customer is. And you're going to have an automated business out there working for you, fully automated from the very moment somebody goes into your system. And I want to show you what one of the pages looks like. Why I'm sharing this with you. Let me share my screen real quick. And this is the pages. It's like this, you guys. You're going to have pages like this that are literally going to be out there working for you 24/7, right? So, what happens is you're going to learn through our discovery method how to attract customers to you, your online business. People put their email in here. And once they put their email in here, they'll be able to be taking to more information. So, imagine people going through the information. Let me see if I have it pulled up here. I think it's right here. Well, this is one of the other pages we have. But here's the website people you're going to get access to. But people are, I think it's one of these. Oh my gosh. Anyway, I thought I had it pulled up for you. These are all the pages actually that you are looking at that I'm showing you. There it is. And then and once they put their email in, you guys, they're taken to this page that has a video, right? That literally breaks it down for them. And right here, anybody can click on and buy from you. Okay, they can see the testimonials in here and click on and buy from you, right? And then when they click right here, it literally takes them to, I'm finding it. I have too many tabs open. Oh my gosh. Where's it at? This is so funny. Oh, here it is. It takes you to your website, right? And this is what people, you guys, I want you to think about this. You don't have to go find a customer. You don't got to follow up with a customer. You don't got to answer any questions. You don't got to DM people. This system is constantly out there working for you, doing all the work. And at any time when somebody is going through this, they can buy from you. But I want to share with you what you're going to get inside of this, okay? And what exactly it all can do for you, because that's one of the most important things. And this is what I've discovered in my journey with making an income online is when I started, you guys, I had no process. I had no structure. I had no idea what to do. And I was floundering out there. I was searching, I was Googling. I thought the more YouTube videos I would watch, the more money I would make, right? Or the more I could figure out how to make money. All it did is confuse me. I felt like I had a bunch of jigsaw puzzle pieces inside my head. I couldn't connect the dots. And so I discovered a process that walked me through step by step, right? But what was missing in that process was no community. And I was by myself, right? And I was in my office by myself. And, it's easy to get distracted. It's easy to get unmotivated, right? Mostly when your day doesn't go as well. And there was no way like to really discover like, who is my perfect customer? Why is that important? And so for the last 18 and a half months, I've been really paying attention to all of the questions that have ever been asked, not only from my customers, but from my potential customers. And that's why I created that Legacy Builder program to help you guys. Are you ready for this? To help you literally launch your business, learn how to go from launch to profit in 7 days. and learn how to master this 2-hour workday so you can learn how to make passive daily paying income. You guys, I have literally been making an income every single day since the end of October of 2022. And as a mom of 6 kids and 5 grandchildren, that's a breath of fresh air. Knowing every single day I'm going to get that ding. And now it's multiple dings a day. And you know what's great? You know what the difference of me today and me back then is? My email list is bigger. I'm still spending the exact same amount of time creating content that I did 18 months ago. Would you ready for this? And this is what I'm going to help you master. When I first started, I would spend 30, let me kind of show you this as well, 30 minutes a day, copy and paste in free ads, right? And you're going to see down here where you are going to learn that. You are going to learn all of this. I would spend 30 minutes a day copy and pasting free ads to high traffic websites. You guys, by the way, that's an introvert's dream come true. Copy, paste, post, copy, paste, post. I built my email list, built my YouTube channel, and I'm going to cover that here in a minute. But it also got me customers. And so, why it built my YouTube channel is because I put a YouTube video in it. You guys, when you get involved with the Legacy Builder program, we have a testimonial page full of testimonials and full of videos that you can use for your YouTube. So, yes, you can build your own YouTube channel without you ever even having to create a video. So I would spend 30 minutes a day doing that. And then I set up my TikTok, right? And I started learning how to grow my following and grow my customers using TikTok. All platforms work or we wouldn't have them in here, right? And then I started learning how to do a MMR method, which is be able to promote other people's products and make 100% profit, which was literally a breath of fresh air because that means I didn't have to go find my own product to promote and make a small percent. I can make 100% profit. And then I learned how to find my perfect customer. This is a step that you're going to learn, right? You're going to learn step by step everything you need to literally go from I don't even know what I'm doing to making daily pay. So 30 minutes copy and pasting free ads. And then I would literally spend 1 hour creating 3 pieces of content. I chose TikTok as that platform. That was what I did an hour and a half every single day. My last 30 minutes was responding to what's called a CTA, which is a call to action. Copy, paste, post. That's all I did. Guys, I made 7,000 my first month doing that, 14,000 my second month, 22 my third. And then I made 31,000 my fourth month. And I ended up making 6 figures in 6 months by following this process. And you guys, what I love about it is we have, I think, 5 or 6 people now that have hit 6 figures following this exact same process. And then we've taken it another layer because I'm like, you know what? Why not create a reoccurring income stream? You have reoccurring bills. Why not a reoccurring income stream? I was able to build that through my email list. You guys, I now have 13 income streams online and I only promote 4. The other 10 are 100% through social media because I monetize on YouTube and I monetize on TikTok. But the other 8 are 100% through my email list. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that, how to add more income streams but no more time to create them. That's what you're going to learn. That's actually part of the digital mastery program. You're going to learn that. You're going to learn how to be an affiliate for other products through your email list, right? Because once you build the email list, why not promote other products? You're going to learn how to build a wildly successful email list. Now, we're going to start leaving that legacy for your family. I'm going to show you how to even create your own product, your own program, your own community, your own course. So you can have other incomes as well. So you can leave a legacy for your family. So you can change generational wealth. And I'm going to show you how to do this while you're earning an income. Matter of fact, I'm going to get you to 6 figures and then show you how to start doing this. So you have more time to do the things that you love. Then I'm going to show you how to scale your business, how to hire people so you have more time. You guys are going to love it because you think the more money I make, the more time I'm going to have to spend. I'm going to show you, my friend, how it's exact opposite of that. You're going to absolutely love this. And what I'm really excited about is introducing you to this passive revenue freedom machine, where I'm going to show you how to be having a passive revenue freedom machine out there working for you 24/7. It's going to add a completely different layer onto the way you build on social media today. You're absolutely going to love it. This is literally going to change your life. This right here, you guys, we might even pull it apart and allow you, if you're in the Legacy Builder program, to allow you to sell that as an additional product. And we'll probably sell it for several $1,000s when you see what it will do. Completely life changing. Yes, this Legacy Builder program is not only going to allow you to be able to create a legacy, but it's going to allow you, we're going to be pulling some of these out and allowing you guys to be able to sell them. I'm adding more income streams inside of the Legacy Builder for you. So right now you have 4, but what if you can have 7 this year off of products you didn't even create? What if one of them are a high ticket product? You guys, I hope everybody just got really excited when I just said that. What I'm going to teach you is going to change your life. Now, you're also going to get these additional bonuses. You're going to get a Canva course training of how to use Canva. I literally give you my blueprint of what I did to make $1 million in 17 months while I traveled the world with my family. We literally left the country 5 times in 2022. My daughter's a senior. We are homeschooling her this, or she's doing online school this year, because we're traveling and truly living life on our terms. It's literally a dream. I can't wait for you to see this. If you implement it, you can make 7 figures as well. You're going to get the 30-day marketing growth strategy plan that is actually dropping inside our community or program today. You're going to get how to start your own online business with MRR. You're going to get 200 digital product ideas that's already inside of there. It will blow your mind. You're going to get how to build an invisible empire, how to build a faceless brand, how to build a brand that can make you millions of dollars without you ever having to do one video. You guys get access to that as well. And you're also going to get access to right here, you guys, I call it the 5 M's, how to manage your mind, how to get the right mindset, the right message, the right marketing, the right mentoring, so you can make $1 million. And you can do this 1000% with your family at your side. So that's what is included in the Legacy Builder program. It is there to truly help you be able to reach your goals and dreams. And what I love about it is you immediately get 4 income streams. Do you guys realize you are literally able to get a $900 product that is actually worth a $1,900 because you get all 4 of these products? That you can sell this one for 900, this one for 600, this one's for 300, and that one for 100. What if you sold just one of each of them a day? That's $1,900 a day just because of this program, right? So here's what it looks like when you get the Legacy Builder program. Let me pull it back right here. This is, you're literally equipped with every single thing that you need. The moment you get started, again, you're going to purchase your program. Going to take you to the next page. It's a $29 button. You purchase that. You immediately create your password. And then it immediately takes you here. You're actually going to be able to see every single one of your products. Like you can click here. When you purchase, you guys, you're going to see all the products. Okay, so you can show people all the products, because maybe you have somebody interested in just launching their business. Maybe you have somebody interested in just learning about passive daily pay income. Maybe you have somebody interested in, mastering digital marketing. It's all right here, but you need to start right there in the Legacy Builder. There's all the exclusive bonuses. Let me just show you this one. This is so fun. Watch this. Okay, so not only do you got a video with it of 200 digital product ideas, but watch. Let me just download it real quick here. You get immediate access to this. Look at this. Over 200. Your mind is going to get so excited and so creative of all different types of ideas. It's all in here for you. From little, a short, maybe make 17 bucks, $7, 47, $97 products, to higher end. It's all in here. We literally equip you with every single thing that you need to be wildly successful in the digital marketing world, okay? But you'll see all of your products, and what you do is you click on the one that you just purchased and you start right here. You guys, these videos are short. And then right here is your free automated system. You actually get immediate access to your website. All you have to do is literally add your name and your testimonial and connect it, and you're ready to go. I've had people be able to launch their business and in 2 hours had a business ready to go. And we are going to show you again how to go launch to profit in 7 days. We will literally disrupt the way digital marketing is done. I do not want you to have a course to have a course. I want you to have an interactive program and be part of a thriving community of other online business owners that are there to help you every step of the way. And when you purchase your Legacy Builder program, you have 24/7 support inside the community. So whatever country you are in, yes, there is support available inside the community. And I love that because my only goal with you is to help you take action. So I'm going to leave you with one question, and that is, what would you do if you could start making an extra 900, and put it in the chat. I want to see this. What would you do if you could start making an extra 900 a day? 900 a day. That's 6,300 a week. How would that change your life? One customer a day is 900 a day. There's 4.8 billion people on social media. You don't think if you know how to market and if you know how to build an email list because you're part of a proven program, you don't think you couldn't learn how to get one customer a day and make 900 a day, which is 328,000 plus a year? The Legacy Builder program will show you how to make $500,000 actually your first year if you want it, because the other income is going to come from, you're going to get monetized on your social media accounts, and you're going to be able to create that reoccurring income stream and other incomes under behind the scenes. You guys, I literally started from no TikTok account. I started from no email list, no knowledge in digital marketing, scared to death because I'm like, I'm an introvert, I'm too old, what am I doing? Am I going to be able to learn these skills? I started there and I made 6 figures in 6 months and my first million in 17 months. And I will promise you this, if you are willing to be coachable, and if you are willing to follow this step by step, your wildest dreams can come true. But it's no different than this. If I see a horse that's thirsty and I bring the horse over to the ocean of water, I can't get it to drink, but I know if that horse will drink, it will never be thirsty again. That's you, my friends. If you are ready to learn how you can have a fully automated online business where you can make 900 a day with passive income, you will absolutely love this program. There you guys go. Hopefully that helped. Oh my gosh. Let me